Hi guys, Tamara Winkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to teach you how to meal prep a pizza. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to get 3 cups of the garlicaholic bread mix. And you can honestly use skinny for this if you're not a garlic fan. I actually like using the garlic for pizza, but that's just my preference. And then I'm going to do 3 cups of egg whites. And then I'm going to do 1.5 cups of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And what I got in here is 1.5 cups. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and dump it in. And get a fork. I'm going to mix this up really good. It's so easy to mix, guys. You honestly don't even need a blender or a emulsifier or anything like that. You can just do it by hand with a fork. I'm just trying to show you how simple it is to make. Okay, now I'm going to spray my pan. This is an 11 by 17 cookie sheet pan. I'm going to dump the garlic bread mix in here. And we're gonna bake this at 350. Then you can go like this. If you do this, it'll kind of even out. See that? And this is 12 servings, okay guys? So we're gonna bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes and we'll be right back. Hi guys, we're back and here we go guys. This is the garlic bread mix and it took about 30 minutes in the oven. And again, you can do all the mixes in the microwave, but if you see I'm meal prepping, so this is 60 meals right here that I did in about an hour, okay? So here's what I'm gonna do to make, to meal prep my pizza. I'm going to put pizza sauce all over it. Not a ton. And I use like either Ragu or Great Value, or you can make your own. The main thing about pizza sauce is make sure you use one that doesn't have sugar in it, okay? That they don't put added sugar. This is probably a little bit too much. Next time I'm not gonna put so much. Okay, but then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to meal prep even pizza. And we're gonna start selling these. We're gonna start selling everything meal prep too, so that if you don't have time to bake it, at least you can still come in and grab and go and eat healthy and just microwave. Okay. And you could put whatever you want on this. You could put pepperoni, you could put bacon bits, you could do whatever you want. Nobody's gonna tell you what to do. But I just have bacon bits. I try to keep it simple. And you can use like a whole bag and then you can just measure the bag and put your macros in. Now I'm gonna throw some bacon bits on it. And I have a broiler at home. I mean, you guys, most people that have ovens can put theirs on broil as well. But guys, this is 12 servings right here. So I'm gonna cut it, try to cut it evenly in 12 pieces. And there it goes, guys. I got 12 pieces of pizza. And then what I'm gonna do, this is how I package my pizza, okay? And all my mixes. What I do is I take my mix, okay? Here's one piece of pizza right here, okay? See, I'm just trying to keep it all even. And what I'm gonna do is put it on a paper plate like this, or a paper towel, and I cover it up like that. And I know it's got a little bit of sauce in it from my hand, but it's okay. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna stick this in. And I have a meal prep pizza, okay? If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can always just take it and stick it in by itself like this. But I find that when I put, I mean, honestly, even if you just have the paper towel on the bottom, just to collect moisture from the cake, okay? You can do that, and then you can do this too, and this makes for a perfect frozen pizza. See that? And then once you package them, you just take them out of the freezer, you open them up, you microwave them, and you got a delicious pizza. Or if you don't want to microwave it, you can put it in the broiler, but it's all ready and made for you. And that way you can eat healthy. Look, I'm gonna have 60 dinners right here made for me at home. Okay, so that's what I do. This is how I meal prep. And it only takes you about an hour. If you have like even if you have one oven, you can put 4 of these in at once. So you can do 48 mixes at once, even if you have one oven. And if you have a double oven, you can do 96 at once, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless you. Visit healthytreatsmarket.com for more recipes. And if you do live nearby, you can always come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching.